mfethu i-grumbling iwupoison ngalendlela ngithe mangiqala ngathi iyagqunqisa khona abantu mfethu ngithi mangene office mhlawumbe kufana ngiyolanda i-document ngibikele ngithi awunkosi ngaze ngavelela because I know that person unomgosi othile oyingxenye ye-grumbling ozongenza ispirit sami sibe down, you know. Yes, yabo lenkaphane why bashintsha iloko, why kukhona into ethile ayi lenkaphane khona abantu mfethu became greater things ngokuthi bathema bebona i-environment abebekuyo yangaba right bahamba baya kuma desktop wabo balungisa ama CVs ba-applya bahamba ingakaze kuzwakale ngisho nakanye ukuthi hayibo lo muntu bengekho happy because wabona ukuthi instead of me ukuthi ngibe a part of the problem here angihambe ngolungisa i-CV and bahamba abantu instead of grumbling mfethu prepare your CV makuthi indawo kuya ukho right ama solutions lawo sengiwasho manje sengivala replace i-grumbling with gratitude.
Yes Thulani,
kungcono kuba nomphathi ongasile mfethu kodwa ubusebenza. Replace i-grumbling with i-gratitude.
Go back kungcono kuba nomphathi ongekho right kodwa uthola ukuthi usanawo umsebenzi.
Usanawo umsebenzi mfethu ubusisiwe mfethu makuthi unomphathi ongasile angisho ukuthi siyaba promote abaphathi angasile kodwa you are blessed because try this out uma ungangikholwa hamba kumuntu ongasebenzi ufike umtshela ukuthi yazi umphathi wami akasile umphathi wami uyinto kanjeni uze ukuthi lo muntu uzothini uzosho ukuthi yazi kodwa ungcono mfethu yasebenza.
Hey
hey they are giving us too much work abaphathi ba lazy izinto ufanga ngabe zenziwa yibona zenziwa yithina, you know. That's a grumbling spirit. Replace enye into bakuthiwa ufuna uthola isolution nge-grumbling replace ilento lena replace i-challenge with the opportunity. Whenever you're given challenges, bona ama opportunities. That's how you grow. God is love, mfethu. Yabona ingibambile vuma lento. I would be far in life if it wasn't for abantu besebenzisa i-grumbling as a crippling tool. Nami ngibavumela.
Myself, I've grumbled myself in many areas, including in ministry.
Yes. Everywhere.
Even ebandleni masikhuleka noma kufunda noma uNkulunkulu enza into ethile mawulokhu grumblisha you're wasting your time so 6 hours endlini kaNkulunkulu. Yes. Always be grateful for what God has already done.
It's powerful, mfethu. Bazokhululwa abantu mfethu. God is love. Grumbling it's a spiritual thing.
Wow.
Yabona vuma mfethu, economy South Africa ingabheda, ipolitiki ingabheda. Be careful of ukugrumblisha ngezinto njengabantu bezwe. God can still give you ama blessings despite ukuthi ubani oseyipolitically ngiyakutshena mfethu. But be careful of falling for a grumbling. A grumbling gives that sense of, oh wow, I'm releasing steam. Let me be part of these conversations. And you are being trapped. Be careful of a grumbling. God is love.
Hey, I am left and right.